Hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with RT. So today I have a list of many entry-level hackathon for you, where you can participate and earn cool prizes, money, skills, as well as you will get to know how to compete in a team. Cool. So those hackathons are really very interesting, and they all are entry level. So trust me, if you have some basic knowledge about code or anything else, you can do participate here and can win those things, right, and can win prizes. And let me tell you why hackathons are important. So those hackathons, you if you compete, you will know, you will understand the art of competitions. And as well as the main thing is that you can add it to your resume in the achievement section, and that is a plus point. So if I tell you, if you are applying for off campus internships and job, those kind of things are a plus points in your resume. So right, so you must participate in hackathon. Whether you win or not, you will learn. Okay, so hackathon is for learning purposes. And trust me, this video is going to be really interesting. And if you are a beginner, or if you are an intermediate, or reached in an advanced level, still you can participate in those hackathons. They have a very good prize pool. So if you have a that amount of skills, you can win at the same time as well. So some of the hackathons, in some of the hackathons, you can participate individually, or you can consider you can make your own team with the friends, right? So that's what it is. So I guess not to waste time and directly jump into our content, but before moving on, I have a humble request. If possible, kindly subscribe my channel, because currently I'm not earning from YouTube. I have a motto to reach to maximum students which I can, regarding those things like hackathons, internships, etc. So that's my only motto behind running this YouTube channel, right? So I humbly request you to kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friend. So now let's move on to our content, cool, where I will show you the links, etc. So let's get started. So welcome back. So this is my channel Talk with RD, right? So you can search it on YouTube, right? Or I will provide you, or not, I will provide you the link. It is there. So cool. So if you want, you can subscribe this channel. So let's move on to our site, where I have this much amount of hackathons. So this is going to be really cool for you, right? So you can see this is a site, this is a link. I'll provide you it in a comment section. So there are hackathons which are totally free to participate and have a good prize pool. Cool. So you can see here we have a tax. So our first hackathon is from the IIT Madras, and IIT Madras is a very prestigious college. Everyone knows this. Cool. So our first one is the Capture the Flag Shastra 2022 hackathon. So you can see they have a free registration, free, just a free registration, and team size 1 to 2 members. So if you are willing to participate individually, you can, or if you want that your friend must participate along with you, you can also join that also, right? So registration deadline is 18 Jan 2022. So you need to apply, you need to register before it, right? So you can learn more about it, right? The theme and etc. So price pool is of 30,000, and it's not too low, it's cool, right? So if you register, you can find more about it, the themes and the etc, right, and the detail which you want, right? So its name is the Capture the Flag Shastra 2022 by IITM. Cool. So second one is again E Contest Shastra 2022 by IIT Madras. So it's a programming contest, and let's see more about it. Again, it's a free registration. You need to apply before 9 Jan, and it's a programming competition. And I don't okay, they have a prize pool of 40,000 as well as a certificate. Cool. This is really going to be interesting. If you want to participate and you want to win, you must here, right? E-contest. If you have a good coding skill, you can definitely try this as well. So third one, again from IIT Madras, RL Games Shastra 2022. So I think it's a kind of technical fest, Shastra 2022. I don't know much about it. So cool. So again, it's from the IIT Madras, and you need to apply before 10 Jan, and you can see abstract submission, code submission. Okay, so RL Games. So here first you need to submit abstract. from 1 Jan, in between 1 Jan 2022 to 10 Jan 2022, and last from 11 to 13 you need to submit a code. So this is a deadline, but you must register it before it so that you can participate, so that you can make the projects. Cool. And if I see the prize, so participation certificate for everyone, okay, that's great, and prize pool of 25,000, and if and you know, this is a very good amount of money. Cool. But the basic thing here, you learn a lot. So this one again, okay, this one is from IIT Roorkee, R Street quantitative challenge. So you can see the track like engineering and data science, and 50,000. Cool. 50,000 is really cool. So okay, registration deadline is 7 December, so it's very close. It's very close. Only 10 days you have, 10 to 11 days, and team sizes of 1 to 3 members. So if you want that, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके फ्रेंड्स भी पार्टिसिपेट करें, तो you can definitely try this. So let's learn more about it. So first you need to make a model. Okay, so it's a data science competition. So it's a data science competition. So first you need to make a stock prediction model, and after that online presentation. If you pass this, you will came here. So okay, so algorithm trading has changed the world of finance, marketing and trading since its inceptions, etc. You can read more about it, right? I am not going into the much detail, I'm just telling you. Cool. So registration deadline 7 December, contest is from 8 December, contest end is on 15 December, and online presentation is on 19 December. So you are seeing that you have a very less day, right? So winner 30,000, first runner of 15,000, second runner of 5,000, and participation certificate for everyone who do the code. Cool. So okay, we have seen this. Okay, let's see this one also. Only 3 days left. India's largest Pupa hackathon for finance live project internship. So it's a business hackathon, and I guess no coding will here. So it's a paid one. Okay, so it's a paid one. So I guess here you have to submit the money. But again, it's not paid one, so let's not go in a much detail, but link will be there, you can explore it. So there are much more hackathons, code conduct, etc. Crowd hack by Guru Tej Bahadur Institute of Technology, GTBIT, New Delhi. 6 days left, and oh my god, prize pool 1 lakh and 16,000. Quite great, cool. So okay, so here is a track. So inclusion, sustainability, community, mental health and awareness, and open innovations. So these are a track, or you can say themes. This is a 36-hour hackathon on the various themes like AI, ML, UI, UX, cloud data, cloud development, data structures, etc. So if you know any of these tracks and you want to contribute in a hackathon, so you can participate in this. I really suggest you to do participate here. So again, you just need to click register, and you will be get into there. So cool. So registration deadline is on 3rd December. So today is 27, and only some days left, right? So and it's a 3 days 36 hour long hackathon. So cool. So I guess I will provide you the link. You can explore, because you have to give time, because it is at the end it is you who need to participate here. So cool. So these are the hackathons which I have for you, and I'll provide you the link. Explore more about it, and yeah, if possible, kindly subscribe my channel, Talk with RD. So that's all today, what I have for you, and I guess let's end video and let's meet on to the other video, right? So tata, bye bye, and keep smiling, keep coding, do participate. Bye.